Again, look back here for crying out loud.
This is the American alligator. Welcome to the Everglades. These operates mostly at night, nocturnal. That's when they feed. Go hunting and fishing. You can see those bony ridges on the back. That's like a solar panel. That's how he absorbs the sun's energy and warms his blood at night. I mean, to keep him going at night when he's out hunting. You ever see a gator sitting in the... He's had a long day. He's been out here all day and there's been so many boats looking at him. He's probably a little dizzy. It's like somebody's been chewing on that tail. They get after each other from time to time, mostly fighting over the girls in territory, just like we are. Well, it's time to head back to the park. We had to run pretty far to see this guy. We got to head back on the home stretch. So get your pictures. I'll swing the boat around one more time. There's another thing that can happen.